My name is T.BALA SNEHITHA. My registration number is YOK 19CS1222, and today my topic is about traveling salesman problem. In short form, we can call as TSD. Now I will be going to explain about TSD. What is meant by TSD is a given cities and the distance between each pair of cities, and a salesman needs to choose the shortest path to visit every city exactly once and return to the city where he started. This is known as traveling salesman problem. Actually, what is meant by salesman? Salesman problem is also well known as problem in theoretical computer science and in operation researches, and the standard version of traveling salesman problem is hard to find to is very hard to solve the problems which are belonging to NP hard classes. Now I'm going to explain the code. First, include .isostream using namespace std int array 10 completed 10 and cost equal to 0. Then next, void take input, open bracket int ij, count C out, enter the number of villages, C in n. Then again we have to C out as enter the cost of matrices / n. That means next line, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus in range. Then again C out, enter next line, enter the number of rows, I plus 1 / next line. Then next, for I j equal to 0, where j range should be less than n and j plus plus. Then C in, we have to give array I and j, complete I equal to 0. Next, count the cost list is. Then again we have to give the cost list is. Next, for I equal to 0, where I range should be less than n and I plus plus. Then count out next line, for j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Then count t, that means /t array ij, and close the function. Next, int list, int c, int I nc equal to 999, int minute equal to 99 k minutes. Then next, for I equal to 0, I in range less than n, I plus plus. If array ci are not equal to 0 and complete I equal to 0. If array cj plus array ij less than minute, then minute equal to array ij plus array cj, k minute equal to array j, c in I, n, then nc equal to 1, and close the function. Next, if minute is not equal to 999, cost equal to cost plus k minute, then we have to again return nc. Next, void mini cost int city. Next, int I n city, complete city equal to 1, count out city plus 1, open bracket underscore close greater than close. Next, n city equal to least city. If city equal to 999, n city equal to 0, count n city plus 1, cost equal to cost plus array city n city, return and close the function. Next, mint cost n city, int main, take input, count out the path is, Next line, mini count passing 0 because starting vertex count and minimum cost is cost return 0. Now I'm going to run my code. First enter the number of villages are 4. Next enter the cost vertex. Next enter the elements of row 1 are 0, 0, 4, 1, 3. Next enter the elements of row 2. 4, 0, 2, 1. Next enter the elements of row 3. 1, 1, 2, 0, 5. Next enter elements of row 4. 3, 1, 5, 0. By this I and I got the cost list is 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 5, 3, 1, 5, 0. Therefore the path is 1, 1 greater than 3, greater than 2, greater than 4, greater than 1. Therefore minimum cost is 7. By this I completed my